And while those data were generating media attention, I was looking at the data of the women who got the female essence and their sexual behavior, which I told you they were recording. And I noticed something that we hadn't anticipated, which is in the first 3 weeks, the 11 women who were in the pheromone group, 36% of them were never missing a week of coitus. They were weekly active. That's 4 out of the 11. The placebo group, 1 out of the 9. That's 11%. That was at the very beginning, the first 3 weeks of getting this smear on their nose, under their nose, every other day. But the last 10 weeks of the same study, the same data, the same people, it had changed. Now 73% of the pheromone group were having weekly sex, whereas still 11% of the placebo. The placebo didn't do anything, but the pheromone seemed to do something. And my intuition was what it did was make women more sexually attractive to men. I didn't know if that was true, but that was my intuition. And in good science, maybe good poetry, maybe good humanities, there's always the interplay between the intuition and the actual data. And you need the intuition to collect the data. And then you need to look at the data, and with that, you bring back your intuition and say, what does this mean?